Hi guys, my name is Lilly and today I'm here at the beautiful Mediterranean Sea, and today I want to show you which survival foods that you can gather from the seashore. Stay tuned. The first survival food that you can find is bivalves. Yesterday I have found some mussels, and actually they make pretty good food, but here at the seaside I wouldn't recommend eating it because sometimes they can contain toxins like all other bivalves, oysters, mussels. Unfortunately there is a red algae which is called the red tide, and the algae is producing neurotoxins, and the bivalves, they filter out the water and the toxins and they store it at the inside of the mussel, of the shell, and then when you're eating it, it can cause severe damage of your brain and there's no cure. So I wouldn't recommend eating bivalves from the sea. But there are other protein-rich animals that you can find on the seashore, and now I'm going to take a look down here at the beach and see what I can find. Here is full with limpets, which is a kind of gastropod, and I just removed it with my knife from the rock. And these make actually a pretty good survival food because this is pure protein. So that's the first one, and now I'm going to collect a few more to make a decent meal. There are two ways how you can get off a limpet from the rock. The first one is by prying it off with your knife tip, but that might damage the blade. And the better way is to knock them off with the pommel of your knife. Limpets and other snails and gastropods, they feed off the algae from the rock, and they don't filter the water, so you don't have to worry about the red tide or any other toxins. There are thousands of different species of snails, just like these ones here, and most of them are edible. But you have to bear in mind that there's a toxic snail, which is the cone snail, and there are quite some different kinds of cone snails all over the world. Most of them are in the tropics, and you should never pick up a cone snail because they can shoot an arrow, a dart, which has a lot of venom into your skin, and this venom is so strong. There are 15 reported deaths from cone snail darts, so never pick up a cone snail. To make an open fire, so I have brought a small stove and some fuel, and we had a lot of wildfires this year in the Mediterranean area, so it's really wise not to make fire on such a hot day. Now we have to let it cook for at least 20 minutes to kill all pathogens. It's very hot today. It has at least 35 degrees Celsius, and I always wear a hat like this. It's a wide brimmed hat, and when it's so hot I always have this towel with me. It's a very fine towel, doesn't weigh a lot, and the white color reflects a little bit of the sunlight. I always have this needle in my first aid kit, and this is what you need when you want to get out the snails out of the shells. That's the door, you don't need that. It's not digestible. That's the snail, and this is completely edible. This here is the limpet, and as you can see there is this black sac on the top, and you want to take that black sac and rip it off, because this is the guts that you don't need to eat. After 20 minutes of boiling, you can eat them just like that. They're actually tasting really good, a little bit salty. But today I also have some lemon with me and some olive oil, and I want to give them one more roast over the fire. Tastes really good. Only garlic is missing. Wow, it tastes great. So this is a really easy to get a food that you can find around the shore. You don't need to spend a lot of calories to collect these snails, and they are poor protein. The perfect survival food. I want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and stay tuned till next time. Bye.